On this tutorial, we'll look at how to create a Rhino model of a base Google Maps image. So firstly, we just want to go into Google and we just want to type Google Maps. That's our first step here. And then we'll go over into Google Maps. We want to find the location for our urban planning site. So the urban planning site we used was 321 Victoria Street. Now that we're looking at 321 Victoria Street, we can just make sure that this is the precise location by dropping the little man onto Victoria Street, have a quick little squiz around, make sure everything is exactly the location we're looking for. You can keep spaces around that and the rail line and the buildings. So we just want to close out of that one now. I want to go back into the base 2D map. Let's do that here. Make sure we get back to the right exact location by typing it back in. And then we get the little red dot again. What we want to do now is we want to take a screenshot of this. So we want to go look up Earthen View. Now we're in Earthen View, we can go to options, just say screenshot, make sure the base settings are all as they are. You can change them if you need to. Start. We just want to press Control F11, create a screenshot. We want to crop the image by making sure that we've got in the bottom right corner of the scale bar of 50 meters because we're using that Rhino. Then just press Control Y to create that screenshot. Then we can save it into the relative file. I've already got an videos one, but we're going to save it into another file, a test one. We'll go down file, open informatics, video tutorials, name it something relevant. Name it 321 Victoria Street. Save that one. Next, we want to go into Rhino. We want to go type in picture in the top left. Go find the file that we've just created. Open. Informatics. And then we'll go to the video tutorials and we'll put in the picture there. So we want to put that picture into a layer on its own so that we can lock it and we can hide it as we'd like. So we just want to create a new layer, name it something relevant like map. And we just want to put that map once it's selected into that layer. So it didn't work there, so let's double check it again. And then there we go, we can see it now turn on and off, and we can also lock it. The next thing we want to do is we want to scale the image. We want to type in scale, do the command. Then we want to find two different reference points, and the scale bar is perfect for that, so dot and a dot. And then we go 50,000, so 50,000 millimeters, which is equal to 50 meters. Therefore, we have created the right scale map. From this, we can then lock the image so that we don't accidentally move it around now when we're doing modeling. We can create a couple of different layers for different things that we'll be modeling into this for reference. So buildings and roads are two of the main ones. And we just want to make sure that we change those to specific colors. So it's easy to differentiate between them, so red and blue. Pretty simple there. We choose specifically to building and pretty close to site, so just show some reference. So building one here, and we can just roughly sketch the outline of that one there. It is all to scale, so it's used for massing, and then just do the adjacent one as well. Make sure everything's lined up. There we go. And if you go back out to a perspective view of this one now, we can zoom out and see that those two buildings are there now. If you want to extrude these ones next, and say obviously you have height, so all of the buildings around the side are about 4,000 millimeters, 4 meters. They're all one story, so we can just extrude that one up and type in 4,000, make sure it's clicked as a solid, and 4,000 and press OK. There we go. We can check that as a shaded view to make sure that's a solid object now. Go back out. And next we'll have a quick look at doing some roads, and we can just be mainly 2D lines that we can later touch in Illustrator and other photoshopping techniques. These are all just merely for reference stuff. There we go. We've got the road in there, and we've got the final one.